Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these corner bookmarks inspired by fairy tales and folk tales. So we need to start off with a square bit of paper, but I'm sure most of you will have an A4 piece of paper like this. So we have to make it into a square. And the way we can do this is by taking this corner and folding it up, just checking to make sure that that corner, that turns into a point. Once we've done that, we can fold it down and make a nice neat edge like that. Now we want to cut off this bit. Along that edge there. So now we've got a square. I'd like you to place your piece of paper like this, like a diamond. And then you're going to fold up from the bottom corner to the top corner. And then make a nice neat edge. Then we're going to take this corner, the right hand pointy corner, and fold it up to the top so that now it goes down the center. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Take the pointy left corner and fold it to the middle. Now we open those out. And we're going to take this corner, just the top sheet of paper, leave that one there, and fold this corner down to the bottom like this. And we make an edge here. Try to make your edges as neat as possible. Okay, now back to this corner. We're going to fold it up and then tuck it underneath. That. So you should be able to see a triangle here. Then we do the same on the other side. Take this one and fold it underneath. Like that. So then we've got a triangle there too. And then you can put it over the corner of your page like that. And it's a bookmark. Now you can decorate your bookmark however you like. But I'd like to ask you if you would pick your favorite fairy tale or folk tale and draw a picture just like this one, which is inspired by Jack and the Beanstalk. Do you see the magic beans there? And there he is, Jack up there in the giant's castle. Okay, I'll look forward to seeing all of your designs. Well done.